Hello everyone, Ryder over here. Hope you're having a great day. So we just had the Apple September event last week and I just received the new iPhone 14 Pro. I went for the Space Black option with 128 gigs of storage as I have most of my files stored on the cloud. But let's not waste any more time and let's jump straight into the unboxing. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. The box is super standard, nothing special, but I actually found the box from the 11 Pro actually. And look how thick that is compared to this one. And here we have a box from the 12 Pro, which is pretty much the same. But yeah, let's just go ahead and open it. All right, it does actually look pretty much the same. I think the color is completely the same as my 12. No, it is a bit darker. All right, it is a bit darker. It's like a couple shades darker, not too much. I also have my 11 Pro here, and if you look at this one, oh my God, the camera bump is actually massive. It's quite a big difference. I actually feel the color is closer to 11 Pro compared to the 12 Pro in terms of the shade. Man, look at the camera, that's massive compared to the 11 and 12. But anyway, what else we got here? Classic USB-C and Lightning. Of course, we didn't get any USB-C charging this year. And yeah, oh, this is the pin extender, or as they call it. I'm EU, so I actually got the SIM card version. I heard that in US they don't have it at all, which is a bit of a bummer. But yeah, it is what it is. All right, let's do a bit of a ASMR. Nice. All right, let's turn it on. As you can see, it actually attracts fingerprints super easy. I mean, I literally opened it like 2 minutes ago and there is already a bunch of my fingerprints. I hope you can see it. Let's look at the dynamic island. I really like the smooth animations. Oh, look at this, look at this. Okay, let's try to unlock it. No, it didn't work out. Let's try to unlock it. You see that? Oh, that was super smooth. You can definitely notice the display is different, at least if you're coming from 12 Pro like me. It's definitely, I feel like it's brighter. So let's go to the top. Wow. Nice. Okay, that's actually really bright. Ooh. The always on display is quite nice. It does like dim, I would say, to around 10%. I wish it would go even more because it could be a bit misleading if you have it on a stand. But you see the difference immediately when you turn it on and off. Cameras are just so massive. I feel like if you're gonna continue with this trend of making the cameras bigger and bigger every single year, then you always need to have a phone case on it, because this happens, right? If we compare it with the 12, a little bit less, but still there. And let's try the 11 Pro. Yeah, almost nothing, very little. Yeah, so we got the new 48 megapixel sensors. I'm actually quite curious how that's gonna turn out. I do take quite a lot of pictures with my phone. Ever since they introduced the Apple Pro RAW, I was taking definitely more pictures with the phone. It's just so much easier when you have something nice to just like whip out your iPhone and take a nice photo than bringing a big camera with you all the time. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna test it out more over the next couple of weeks and months. And then I'll probably put up a video later on to show my experience with it. I'm quite curious, to be honest. Coming from 12 Pro, I don't think it's gonna be a massive jump, but maybe I'm wrong. Let's see. So yeah, that's it for the video. Let me know what you think about the new iPhone in the comment section below. I'm still waiting for the new AirPods Pro to be delivered. So as soon as I have received them, there'll be a new video on this channel. So subscribe to not miss that. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Follow me on social media, stay rad, and I'll see you next time.